we're getting into the futuristic stuff now. Manual now means you don't have to press one button, it does everything. Manual means now you have to press and hold the button. So, sorry about that. I should have been a little bit more clear. Right. Once we get this unit out there to the lot where you guys are going to be staying, I will walk back over this stuff with you. Since the batteries are dead right now, I'll go back over all that stuff. So we're good in there? Alright, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So down below we've got all of our tank valves. 1, 2, and then we've got a third one down here. Let's see, I'm not sure which one is actually which. Okay, that one is definitely a gray tank. And I can't tell which one of these is going to be a gray and which one's... I guess we'll just have to find out. One of these will be a gray, one of these will be a black. Is that a gray handle? No, that's a black handle. I'll put some water in the toilet and find out which one's which for you.
Good.
That way you don't have to find it.
Yeah, at home what I did was up underneath, just where I could see it, I have a label maker.
Okay, perfect. I'll find out which one of those handles is which.
Well, yeah. You can, yeah.
I got some silver spray paint in there. I can just
zap it. Yeah, because what I do is I cheat at places. When the sun goes down, I crack the gray.
Yeah, yeah. Furnace cover for the outside in here, not much you have to mess with.
What, the old ones were, I forget how many BTU.
I think for a single, I think you've got a 40,000.
So it's 40?
Yep. If we run two, we either do 220s or 235s, I can't remember, I think there was a mileage.
Oh, suck a tank down, having two of them.
Yeah, yeah. So 140,000. Termination, bam, right there.
Perfect.
Yep. Lug nuts, torquing your tires.
I have a torque wrench in the truck.
That's what I was going to ask you. These are aluminum rims, so as they heat up, they are going to stretch and contract. 120 foot-pounds in your star pattern.
Gotcha.
Okay. 120 foot-pounds, I would say probably every 75 miles for the first 150 miles, 200 miles. Torque goes down.
I'll make sure my lug fits before I leave.
Yep.
Otherwise, you've got no Riley's or something here, I guess,
right? And then 120 foot-pounds for the torque, 120 in the tire pressure, 120 psi.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Yeah, just had the truck tires filled because you can't fill them yourself at a 7-Eleven. You need 80 pounds.
You need a lot.
So I was at your local place today.
Yeah.
This morning before I come here.
Yeah.
So I bought a reel for my electric.
You want to see it?
I want, when you open it, let's everybody go, yo!
Ready? Yo! The angel's singing.
Yeah, because that's a heavy line.
Yes, this thing is awesome. So right now, let's just imagine that our battery is completely dead and we can't get this thing out because our power reel button doesn't work.
Gotcha.
So all we're going to do is we're going to take this reel, we're going to roll it back just a little bit.
Cool, it breaks it loose.
Yes.
Perfect.
Now, once you go to retract this thing, you just press the retract button and it'll lock back onto that ratchet system.
Great.
Okay.
It's like our winch at work.
Yeah. Yep. You see this blue line coming down at the bottom?
Yep.
That is your shut off for your fresh tank.
Great.
Okay, so if you use your tank, just make sure it's off. If you decide to drain it, that's where you'll drain it from. For a full tank, 80 gallons, takes about 45 minutes to drain.
Yeah. I was happy to see it was 80 gallons, almost 80 gallons.
Yeah, it's like 79 or something like that. Yeah. Yeah, pretty big tank.
And I boondock.
Oh, okay. So yeah, you'll...
That's why I did the fridge. That's why them batteries annoy me.
Yep. Yep, yep.
Perfect.
So, yep, you're ready to go on that. Like I said, I'll get you plugged in and we'll set you up on 5.
Oh, good.
Yeah, you get 300 pounds on that.
Yeah, that'll carry bicycles.
Yep, bicycles, storage rack.
Yeah, you don't offer it anymore, so and left hands weren't knowing what right hands were doing. That was good. I'm glad you did that.
Oh,
that's huge to me.
That's not a...
Oh, and this is big.
Okay, go ahead.
So, let's see how much I can impose upon y'all. Oh, look, that's exactly what I'm looking for. I need... So rather than buying the outboard version that was nice that they offered for this, Chevrolet offered a real nice inboard version.
Okay.
And they put two cameras on the outside of the mirror.
Okay.
Like, it's wonderful.
Yeah.
And they've got one back here, and it all marries to my dash.
Okay.
So I would have loved to have bought the outboard system, but rather than having two screens sitting on my...
Exactly.
So I just need access to that.
Okay.
I got to put 2 screws in, and I bought... have you played with them new butt connectors that are waterproof? You heat them up?
Yeah, the heat shrinks. Yeah.
Man, the coolest thing on the planet.
Yep, they are.
I brought a crack lighter
You got
so
a
I could
little
heat it. A crack lighter. I used to smoke cigars and crack.
Oh, hey, I've heard it all. I work in a factory.
Yeah, I'm gonna. But cigar lighter.
Yep.
And I just need access to that thing, and I can plug my system in. I brought my drill. I brought some stainless steel screws. That's all I need. Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. You can do all that.
Yeah, I can do that tonight.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I have to back my truck up behind it and stand on the tailgate.
Right. That's still a pretty high reach, though.
Yeah. Even for a tall guy.
Inside of there, what you're going to have is you're going to have clearance light wiring. We wire everything to your clearance lights.
So I'll have to have my...
you'll have to have your clearance lights on to get power to that backup camera, which isn't a bad thing. You know, we want you to have your lights on as you're backing up, because technically it's a reverse camera, so...
yeah,
it's
fine.
Yeah, but that's how that works. So you'll have...
should be just 2 lines coming out, right?
It's actually, you'll have 2 hots and you'll have 2 negatives. 2 powers, 2 negatives, because it's actually right in the middle of a series.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So you'll connect 2 wires to your positive, 2 wires to your negative, and you'll complete that.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Perfect.
Yep. So 300 pounds on that, 300 pounds on your ladder. I'm 230 pounds, and
224.
This thing handles me no problem.
Yeah. 224 every day.
Yeah. Mine's like this. It doesn't matter what I do. Spare tire.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna walk by that. Spare tires right here underneath. So what we have in here, you're gonna get your camera back there.
It's on the other side, I think, isn't it?
Nope, right here. So we've got this camera.
Oh, there it is.
We'll pull this pin out. We'll grab these handles. We'll lift up, pull out a little bit, and we'll drop this thing down. Now
Hey,
the tire,
wait. Is that a LP gas quick connect?
Yes.
What don't you people think of? Go ahead.
Yes, you got your quick connect out here for an outside grill.
I'll be damned.
Yeah. That's funny you notice that. Most people don't notice, or
That's
they're
sweet.
not too huge on it. But yes, you've got
Well, they don't
connect
realize
out
how
here.
sweet it is.
Right,
If
exactly.
they only knew.
So for your tire, yes, you pull your pin out, you lift up on these handles, and you can drop it down. Tire will not slide towards you. It is stationary. It's fixed. You'll just have to loosen up the nut and bolt.
Yeah, I'm actually going to move that.
Okay.
So, do you boat any?
Do I boat? No. We're getting a canoe, and we're going to be going canoeing this year, but as far as boating,
So picture a canoe that you can fold up.
Really?
There's a boat they've been making for 40 years called a porta boat, and it
Okay.
folds up. It's like a regular boat. It's made out of plastic with a Kevlar keel.
Okay.
This tire gets moved this way, and I slide it. It looks like a giant surfboard when it's folded. It's cool as hell. It's substantial. Slide it up underneath here. I'm going to have something on top of those axles.
Okay.
See the bar on that axle? Above the axle?
Yep.
That's where the nose of the thing will fit.
Nice.
Yep. Sweet.
Very nice. How much do one of those run?
They're expensive, but you can get them used because people from Indiana retire in Florida, and they buy them for $3,000 and they sell them for $500.
Oh, no kidding. Jeez.
I'm putting an outboard in here. Oh, who's not us, right? Oh, it's them.
No, that's not us.
Yeah. And you know what I've been doing?
Don't say uh-oh.
You know what I've been doing walking around? I've been looking for nails in front of these tires.
Yeah.
I realize where we're
as
at.
you can see, we've got a lot of stuff.
But I'm watching.
Yeah. Your tires are warranted.
Well, hopefully, it's simply just watching as I walk around.
Right.
But I'm with you so far. Where are we at in the program?
Out here, guys.
Did we wrap around?
I just had one request.
Yes,
I think
please.
you said ask you. The color of the wood inside there, I just wanted if somebody had like a piece of wood